us that's we're loving outside. Well, not loving because some people don't like doing it, but we do love seeing some clouds out there. If only it came with a little bit of rainfall. That's the only thing we're missing, and we're going to get it in spades. We just got to go through today and tomorrow. As you can tell with our satellite and radar at this point, still cloudy conditions in many of the spots out there. That continues. I'll zoom out a bit more. It's not only us, it's the entire state of Texas at this point, also dealing with some cloud coverage today. Big change from yesterday tonight, around 68 degrees, so about 5 degrees warmer from what we hit last night. Winds coming in from the south, still going to be gusty. 15 to 20 miles per hour, and I know because while I was asleep, I woke up with some of the stronger winds outside. Water vapor right now showing that we are still seeing an influx right now of cloud coverage. The moisture that's flowing in is all just cloud coverage, but we're watching a low farther out towards the west that will start to make its way on in, and that could elevate our chance of severe weather as we get into Saturday into Sunday, thanks to a front that's going to be flying through. Now, again, we're not looking at tornadoes. That looks very unlikely, but hail, strong winds, even possibility of localized flooding is something we're going to be watching. So when we're talking about severe weather, that's what we're actually talking about here. So let's play this out. I started the clock here at 3 p.m. on Thursday. Today, still seeing cloudy conditions. As we get into the overnight hours, a few more clouds will roll back in, and tomorrow it'll be a mostly cloudy day. Could you get a little bit of drizzle early in the morning? That's a possibility, but all eyes are going to be on what we can expect Saturday. Now, this is Saturday at 1:30 early in the morning. You see the potential for heavier showers out towards the hill country. This continues farther up towards the north. But again, don't take it just on face value here that it's going to stop right at Burnett, right at Blanco. This could shift over just a tad. And we're talking about showers and thunderstorms within the metro itself. That continues through most of Saturday, getting into Saturday afternoon. But Sunday is where the real light show begins, where we do expect for, as that front comes in, the possibility of the stronger storms to really start to move in. So what does that mean for you on Easter Sunday itself? We're looking at about 64 at 7 a.m. with a 40% chance of rainfall. 75 by the time we get to 12, about a 20% chance. And things start to wind down as we get to about 4 p.m. on Easter Sunday. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 90 for Friday, 87 for Saturday. A bit of a drop as we get into Sunday. Temperatures start to warm back up as we get into Tuesday. But then we see another chance of showers coming through. Let's send it over to Tommy House with a look at severe storms across the nation today.
Yeah, thanks, Freddie. We know we have some severe weather in the forecast Saturday into Sunday. Big picture today, though, I want to take you up to the central and northern plains. Level 3 out of 5 by the Storm Prediction Center for Omaha, Nebraska. The wording that they used for this was apple-sized hail there is possible. Level 2 out of 5 around that through most of Iowa, southern portions of Minnesota, and just a little bit of Illinois there as well. How about tomorrow? Level 2 out of 5 from Chicago, Windy City to Detroit, down to St. Louis, Wichita, Kansas, and then just west of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Level 1 out of 5 extends down to the hill country. And then for Saturday, in a Saturday night, this is a little more close to home here. That level 2 out of 5 west of I-35. Austin's in that 1 out of 5, but DFW all the way up to southern Missouri have to watch for additional hail, gusty winds, and a low-end risk for some tornadoes. Will, Avery?